The Porsche 914 Murène is a rare and fascinating example of experimental automotive design born from collaboration, ambition, and circumstance. Its origins trace back to the late 1960s, when Porsche and Volkswagen jointly developed the Porsche 914 as an entry-level sports car. Introduced in 1969, the 914 featured a mid-engine layout and came in two main versions, a four-cylinder model sourced from Volkswagen and the more desirable 914 powered by a Porsche flat-six engine. Despite solid engineering, the car's angular styling and mixed brand identity limited its appeal. In France, coachbuilder Brissonneau and Lotz sought to improve the 914's design. Their design office included notable figures such as Paul Braque and Jacques Cooper. Cooper proposed a complete redesign of the 914, replacing its sharp lines with a smoother, more aerodynamic coupe body. A donor 914-6 was acquired, but financial issues at the parent company halted development before construction began. Determined to realize his vision, Cooper approached Henri Heuliez, founder of Heuliez. Heuliez recognized the opportunity and agreed to complete the project. Working rapidly, the team transformed Cooper's sketches into a fully functional prototype in just 10 weeks. The resulting car, named Murène, French for Morée, debuted at the Paris Motor Show 1970. It featured extensive modifications. Nearly all original body panels were replaced, the removable roof was eliminated, and the design evolved into a hatchback with flowing wedge-shaped lines. Distinctive elements included widened pillars with air intakes, unique rear lighting, and a large rear glass canopy. The car initially wore a two-tone beige and brown finish, later repainted in orange and beige. Despite positive reception, Porsche declined to pursue production, unwilling to undermine its existing model. Without manufacturing or distribution capacity, Heuliez also chose not to commercialize the Murène. In 1971, Heuliez purchased the prototype outright, preserving it as a one-off concept. Over the decades, the Murène remained largely hidden, eventually undergoing restoration under Heuliez' heritage. It retained its original mechanical configuration, a 2.0-liter flat-six producing 110 horsepower, and surprisingly showed modest mileage. In 2012, the car re-emerged publicly and was later sold to private collectors, changing hands again in 2021 for approximately $160,000. Today, the Porsche 914 Murène stands as a unique artifact of automotive experimentation, illustrating how independent designers challenged major manufacturers with bold reinterpretations of existing models.